check out what we have here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1972 Pontiac LeMans 2-door hardtop. And what do you know? One that hasn't been turned into a GTO clone. That's just cool in itself. Other thing about this car, repainted in 2003. And this is Electron Blue, which is great looking on this car. Obviously, Corvette fans, you'll understand Electron Blue, 2002, 2003 Corvette color, and this one's nicely equipped. 350 V8 underneath the hood, and then power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, cruise control. What a fun car for cruising in the summer. Get in it, drive, have some fun. Let's take a look at the front grille, chrome, headlight surrounds. Now, if you want to see the still pictures, you can see the underside, engine bay, check out the trunk, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the Pontiac Motor Division wheels with the BF Goodrich radials. It's actually delivered brand new in Arizona. Black vinyl bench seat, shifter on the column, stock looking interior with the exception of the aftermarket stereo. We'll get around to the driver's side and check that out here in just a bit. Now, as far as the paint, it was painted in 02, so there's a few blemishes here and there that you're going to see, but overall definitely shows well, and you know where you can get some touch-up paint if you need be in the future. Again, Electron Blue, GM color. Dual exhaust, take a look at the rear chrome bumper. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. That 350 underneath the hood is paired up with an automatic transmission. This does have a turbo hydromatic 350. Paired up with the 350 V8. There's also a build sheet and a kind of a folder of receipts that will go along with this car from previous owners. Nice little record keeping that will go along with the car. In 2019, had new plugs put in it, vacuum hose, the carb was tuned, and again, that was all in 2019. Once again, body and interior is done in 2003. Transmission was gone through in 2012. And the engine was gone through in 2002. So that was some of the information that is in those receipts that you can check out. A lot of the, I shouldn't say a lot, but a couple of the previous owners that had it before stated driving at 3,000-4,000 miles in the summers. And it runs out well, used it on trips. And that's the same thing our techs came up with in the back when they took this vehicle out for a spin. And again, did note the AC blows cold, goes down the road nicely. Headliner good shape, vinyl, free of rips, tears, holes. Seatbelts intact. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Let's check this out. Notice that tack on the hood. See if that works. I noticed these gauges over here worked earlier when I started up. I did not check that tack. Tack lit up, bounced once. The radio is working. And let's check the hood tack does work. Come down here, and it's kind of tough to get the camera angle where it's not so shadowed, but fuel gauge went up to 3/4. Oil pressure also went up, and temp gauge did not because that was a cold start. Check this out. Clock's even working. You can see that. Second hand moving. And again, AC is blowing cold right now. I'm going to click that off. Pioneer aftermarket stereo. And let's check out that dash. Nice shape. Seems like one of those cars. Just get in, turn the key, go, have some fun. Nice sounding too. This one will turn some heads with the sound and its looks. All right, let's slip jump up to the front, check out this engine bay. Let me pause this a second, get the hood open.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. Again, 350 paired up with that automatic turbo hydromatic 350 transmission, power steering, power brakes, cruise control components, AC, Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock intake, smooth running, good sounding engine, and it looks good underneath there too. And with the still pictures, you're also going to see a picture of the VIN, that data tag, the build sheet, and probably over 100 pictures of this car online, top to bottom, inside and out. Check them out, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And that number is 507-386-1726.